Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your G7 stutter, lag, FPS drop, not performing as well as it should be out of the box laptop. I've had this problem ever since I even opened the laptop. Like I turned it on the first day, the first turn on, and it already had this issue. So I decided to restart it, reboot it, update, and everything. And one time it decided to work, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just put it to sleep. And ever since then, it's been like on and off, on and off, on and off, having this problem. So one thing is to make sure always, I can't do it right here because my thing it doesn't pop up, which is really stupid. Take off battery saver, put it in like a gaming mode or max performance. Do not put it in quality or battery saver. That's one thing. Another thing is you can do that here. Additional power settings. So the first thing that we want to check also is control panel. Make sure if you do have a big FPS problem, put it in max performance. I restore it and everything is fine for me, but no two computers are ever the same. So the first thing that we do, I'm sorry that I said that was first. I'm just like, it's 1 a.m. Holy shit. The first thing that you have to do is go to apps. Type in Dell. I fixed this problem for 2 days now, so I haven't had any problems. So hopefully this actually does fix it for you guys. The music is too loud. Uninstall the support one that's around here. There's like 2 support ones. If you guys can go ahead and see which one's missing, go ahead and delete those as well. And yeah, whatever you do, don't uninstall Dell Power Manager service. That's the one we're gonna need actually. I uninstalled that and I couldn't get it fixed until I reinstalled it. Go to all apps, start, home, whatever you want to call it. Dell Power Manager. Kind of want to finish this before the song is over. Nah, it's not gonna happen. It's a good song, but no. The reason why I did this is because Sage, it's kind of addicting. I was like gold 1 and I've been trolling so hard I went down to copper and I'm back like at silver 2, silver 1 almost, so it's kind of hard. But that's mainly the only game I really care for. So here, let me change the song. I didn't really, whatever. I think normally it would be either on standard or adaptive. For me it was adaptive. Go ahead and put it primarily AC use, okay? When you do that, go to thermal management. For me it was on optimize, put it ultra performance. You might get higher temperature and more noise. But if you guys ever realized when you have the issue with the mouse stuttering or FPS drop or anything, the computer is actually really quiet. And you reset it and everything and it's still super quiet. And then when you actually finally get a good boot, it's like right. And then when you put a game on it, it's actually louder. So this actually might be, yeah, the solution to everything. But yeah, I hope this video works. If you guys find that, if it ends up working for you guys, please have please, and a comment saying that it worked. I really do appreciate it. A lot of people have this problem, a lot of people have their own theories, but this is actually the #1 solution I've gotten, and I've done everything out there. So G7 Dell laptops, if you guys have this problem, please use this. Alright, thank you, bye bye.